We are Cattivo Jewelry, a jewelry manufacturer from Hong Kong. We have been working with many international brands for a decade. From OEM to ODM, our one-stop solution turns your jewelry idea into a jewelry brand. We specialize in silver, brass, and solid gold, a variety of natural and synthetic stones that suits your design needs. We can do the gold plating thickness upon your request, even achieve the Vermeil standard. We value your intellectual property by signing a non-disclosure agreement. This will safeguard your design without disclosing it to any third party. Our made-to-order approach ensures each of our customers has their distinctive collection in the market. We believe brands' individuality is a core value, and it is the only way to gain a success in the jewelry world. So how can you start to work with us? Usually, our customers are inspired from our website, Instagram, or EDM. Then, they will reach our sales team. There are 3 ways of initiating the jewelry order with us. The first way is you may pick and purchase from our catalog. In this way, you don't have to pay the development fee. However, since these are our open lines, some are already existing in the market. You will not have exclusive rights to them. The second way is based on our existing styles. You can tweak a little to make it your own style. This way, we will charge a development fee. But after you pay this fee, the new style will belong to your brand exclusively. The advantage is that the processing time is way faster. Benefiting from our researches of trends from the in-house team and our client feedbacks, this makes your product close to the market needs. The last way is if you have your design or idea, we can make it from scratch for you. You will have to pay a development fee, and you will have the exclusive right to this style. What about the cost and time needed? The development fee usually ranges from USD $30 to $50 per style, depending on its complexity. The fee includes 2D sketches, 3D CAD drafting, 3D printing, modeling, and finally the prototype. There are 2 ways to confirm the prototype, which are by sending photographs or mailing the actual prototype for your approval. The sample cost is affordable. The sampling will take 4 weeks, where the mass production will take up to 4 to 6 weeks, depending on the total quantity requested. Before you request a quotation from us, we will need to know the following details from you. Number 1, which material? Number 2, the plating thickness. For silver or brass-based gold plating, the plating range is from 0.1 to 3.0 micron. We recommend 0.5 micron for fast-moving jewelry. Last but not least, the quantity. How many pieces you would like to order? What are you waiting for? Contact us now to build your collection with our dedicated jewelry experts. Check our website now at www.cattivojewelry.com or email us now at ciao@cattivojewelry.com.